Hi, I'm Nancy Ganzikoffer, business coach to interior designers and other creative entrepreneurs. Is your own money mindset holding you back? Is what you learned as a child about money stopping you from charging more? When I think back at what I learned as a child about money, I heard things like money doesn't grow on trees. People are starving in China. Finish everything on your plate. And I'm just being honest here. These are things my parents told me. And I had great parents, but some of the statements that I heard or things that I observed about how they spent money while I was growing up. So I'm here to ask you, has it affected yours? Because if you're having trouble raising your rates and getting the dollar amount that matches your value, it could be because your money mindset. I want you to think about what you learned as a child, what you observed in your own household. Is it something that is affecting your ability to get what you're worth now? I often hear from my clients, I would never pay myself that much money or hire somebody for the rate I'm charging. And I always say, yeah, because you already know how to do it. Your service is valuable to someone, and you just really have to learn the words to use to explain your value. This is key. Communication is key. If you're having trouble communicating your value to your ideal client, get on my calendar for a reduced cost strategy call. This is one of my fortes. You can get there by going on businesscoachnancy.com/consult, and you can book your reduced cost strategy call there.